Hello and welcome to the Sunscape Cove here in Jamaica. This entire resort is made up of preferred club members, which means that everybody has a personal butler. They're also a sister resort to Sunscape Splash. Here's one of the communal areas between both of the resorts where everybody can enjoy the nightly entertainment.
Hey guys, this is Casey's Countries and we are in Jamaica right now at the Sunscape Splash, and I'm excited to show you the room, so have a look.
Here's a beautiful little section of beach where the water is shallow and very beautiful, but the only problem is there's a little bit of tiny pebbles and rocks to the sand. And don't forget the kids, because there are tons of activities for them to do, including the 150-foot slide, as well as nightly entertainment for them, such as movie night.